Hello everyone, I am Praful Dixit. Welcome to this English language class. Our today's topic is the conversion of the imperative sentences to passive voice. An imperative sentence is a type of sentence that expresses an order or a command, a request, advice, desire or direction. It plays a very important role in writing as well as speaking. It is not very common in literary writing but very important and useful in everyday conversation. Such kind of sentences means the imperative sentences are used commonly in advertisements, manuals, instructions and road signs. Here we have some types of imperative sentences. The first type is orders, in which we have the sentences expressing orders. The second type, that is request. Here we have the sentences which express request. The third type consists of the sentences expressing some advice. In the fourth type of sentences, we do not have objects. The fifth type of sentences begin with let. Now, we have to convert these sentences, such kind of sentences, to passive voice. So, first of all, orders. I will read the sentence here. See here, paint the wall. In this sentence, paint is the verb and the wall is an object. In the second sentence, that is open the door. Verb is open and the door is an object. You can clearly see that subject is absent in both of the sentences. The sentences begin with verbs. In the imperative sentences, subject is absent. It is considered as you. For example, if I say sit down, means you sit down. Help me means you help me. In this way, subject is considered as you. And this is the reason in imperative sentences, subject is absent. We have to consider it as you. Then how to convert such kind of sentences expressing orders to passive voice? Then we have structure. Here we have the structure with the help of which we are going to convert the sentences into passive voice. Here are the sentences in passive voice. See here now. Paint the wall is the first sentence. This is an order, paint the wall. While converting such kind of sentences, we need to follow this rule. Let plus object plus be plus past participle. Now let us convert the sentence to passive voice. First of all, we have to write here let. Then what? Object. In this sentence, the wall is an object and so the wall is written here. Then what? Be. According to rule, put be. Then what? Past participle. In this sentence, paint is a main verb and painted is the past participle of it. And so, paint the wall is, the conversion of this sentence is, let the wall be painted. In the same way, we can convert the second sentence. So, first of all what? Let. What is the object in this sentence? The door. The door. Then what? Be. Be. And what? Past participle, that is V3. This is open and it will be open in the passive voice. And so the conversion of this sentence is let the door be open. Structure number 2 is let plus object plus not plus be plus past participle. If you want to make the negative sentences, then you have to make use of not. So here, see these two sentences. Let the wall be painted. Let us use not in this sentence. Let the wall not be painted. Put not after object and the sentence will be negative. In the same way, we can convert this sentence from affirmative to negative. See, let the door not be painted. Okay, so It's very simple and that's why I have not written here. Just put not after object. And in this way you can convert the sentences. The third thing is that if you want to emphasize you in passive voice, you can do it. You need to use the words you are ordered to in the beginning, and after that what? The whole sentence as it is you have to write. As I said, in imperative sentences, subject is considered as you. And so if you want to focus on the word you can do you can convert the sentence in this way. So how will be the conversion? You are ordered the full sentence then. Paint the wall. Use the sentence as it is. This sentence can also be converted like this. Open the door, sorry. So you are ordered to open the door. So in this way you can convert the sentences of orders, that is the sentences expressing orders, to passive voice with the help of the given structure. Now the second type is request. Means here we have the sentences expressing requests. Whenever we have to request someone, we want to request someone, we make use of please or kindly. Here we have two sentences. Please paint the wall and kindly hold the bag. While converting the sentences to passive voice, that is, while converting the sentences expressing request to passive voice, we have to follow this structure, this rule. So, we need to remove the words please and kindly, and instead of those words, we have to make use of you are requested to. And then what? Remaining part of the sentence. In this sentence, please and kindly indicate that the sentences have requests. They contain requests. If I remove these two words, the sentences are like this: paint the wall and hold the bag. Remaining part of the sentence means this part, the part that comes after please. Okay, so the conversion of the sentence please paint the wall is as you are requested to paint the wall. The conversion of the second sentence is you are requested to hold the bag. What have we done here? We have removed please and kindly, and instead of those words we have made use of you are requested to, and the remaining part of the sentence is written as it is. Okay, so conversion of this kind of sentences can be done in this way with the help of this structure. The third type is of the sentences. It is of the sentences expressing some advice. We have two sentences here. Keep your words. In this sentence, keep is the verb and your words is an object. Okay. Now, while converting the sentences like this, means sentences which express some advice, we have to make use of either you are advised to, or number two, convert the sentence in this way. So, the first sentence we are going to convert with the help of the second structure, that is object plus should be plus past participle. So, what is said here? Keep your words. Means what? You should keep your words. Let us convert the sentence. See, in this sentence, your words is an object. And so first write the object, your words. Then what? Should be. Should be. Then what? Past participle of the main verb. In this sentence, the verb is keep, and so it will be kept in the passive voice. So the conversion of the sentence Keep your words, is, ands. Your words should be kept. Okay? See here. The second sentence is, please obey your orders. These are the sentences expressing some advice. This sentence begins with please, means it please shows politeness. The remaining part of the sentence is obey your elders. Okay? It is a suggestion, it is advice. Fine. Then we are going to convert this sentence with the help of the words you are advised to, with the help of this number 1, structure number 1. Okay? See, how will be the conversion? You are advised to. We have to begin the sentence with the words you are advised to. And then what? As it is, the remaining part. So, see here. Obey your elders. So, this sentence, please obey your elders, becomes you are advised to obey your elders. Fine? In this way, you can convert the sentences. The next type is no objects. Means sentences with no objects. See these sentences, get out. The second sentence is stand up. In the first sentence, we do not have an object, and in the same way, in the second sentence also, we don't have any object. How to convert such kind of sentences then? See, in structure, you are ordered to plus remaining part of the sentence. So, begin the sentence with this. That is, you are ordered to. First of all, write these words. You are ordered to. And after that, what? Plus remaining part of the sentence. What is the remaining part here? In first sentence, only get out. So, the conversion of the sentence get out is you are ordered to get out. Okay. The second sentence, stand up. This is an order, but there is no object in the sentence. See the difference between this and this. Object is present. No object in this type of sentence. Okay. So, you are ordered to stand up. In this way, you have to follow the structure and convert the sentences. The next one is, see here, let. That is sentences beginning with let. Let me do the work. In this sentence, do is the verb and the verb is an object. While converting the sentences beginning with let, we have to follow this structure. Let plus object plus be plus V3 plus by plus object. See here. Let the work be done by me. So, let the work done by me is the conversion of first sentence. The second one is, let him complete the task. In this sentence, complete is the verb and the task is an object. So, according to structure, we are going to convert the sentence. Begin the sentence with let. We don't have to remove this. In active voice, if the sentence begins with let, in passive voice too, it begins with let. We don't have to remove it. Okay? So, let, then what? What is the verb or what is the object in this sentence? The task. Let the task. Then what? Be. Then what? V3. That is completed. In this sentence, complete is the main verb and completed will be the past participle here in passive voice. Then what? By and finally object, it will be him. Okay, so the conversion of the sentence, let him complete the task, it's as let the task be completed by him. So in this way, you can convert the sentences which means sentences which express orders, request, advice, then sentences with no objects, sentences beginning with let, in this way. Follow the structure and try to convert the sentences. I hope that whatever I have taught here is clear to you. But let me tell you once more. If the sentence expresses an order and there is object in the sentence, follow the structure and convert the sentence. If the sentence expresses a request, if there is request in the sentences, then what to do? Please and kindly are removed. And what to do? You are requested to. These are the words with the help of which you have to convert the sentence. See here. Then finally put remaining part of the sentence. Then if there is advice in the sentence, follow the structure and convert the sentences. Then sometimes there is no object in the sentence. In this case, you can begin the sentence as you are ordered to and then write the remaining part of the sentence. Means whatever is there in active voice, you have to write in passive voice. Okay, then the next one is if the sentence begins with let. In passive voice too, we have to make use of let. Don't remove let.